So you want to promote your GetResponse affiliate links on Quora? You're in the right place because I'm about to show you the exact strategy that actually works without getting flagged, shadow banned, or wasting time on answers that never convert. Stick around because at the end, I'll also share an exclusive extended free trial for a better alternative that gives you more commissions and an easier time getting conversions. First thing, Quora hates blatant affiliate links. If you just drop a link in your answer, your account will either get limited or worse, completely banned. So what do? You funnel traffic the smart way. Instead of linking directly to GetResponse, you create a bridge page. This can be a simple blog post, a landing page, or even a free lead magnet where you provide real value before directing people to GetResponse. Next thing, your answers need to be high quality. This is where most affiliates go wrong. Instead of copy-pasting generic responses, find questions where people are actually struggling with email marketing, automation, or sales funnels, things that GetResponse claims to solve. Then, write detailed, helpful responses with examples, statistics, or even case studies. The key here is to give people a reason to trust you before they click anything. The third thing, use Quora's ranking system to your advantage. Answers with images, bullet points, and well-structured formatting tend to rank higher. Also, the first 100 characters of your answer are the most important. That's what people see before clicking read more, so make sure it's engaging and promises real value. The fourth thing, leverage Quora spaces. These are like Facebook groups, but on Quora. Find relevant spaces where email marketing is discussed, or even create your own. Post insights, answer questions, and naturally insert your content link without spamming. Over time, you'll build authority, and people will start clicking your recommendations. One last thing, if you're serious about affiliate marketing, GetResponse isn't the highest paying option. Yes, it's a solid tool, but its commissions and conversion rates aren't the best compared to other platforms that offer higher payouts and more generous free trials. That's why I've linked an exclusive and extended free trial for a better alternative in the description, plus a few other email marketing tools that convert better for this strategy. Click the link below to check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.